Hey mango fans, welcome back to the National Mango Board vlog. This time we're letting you in on a little secret. Adding mango to store-bought dips can completely make over your appetizers. One of our favorite things to do is add some pre-cut mango like this to some store-bought guacamole like this, and it makes it completely delicious. All you need to do to make over your guacamole is scoop it out into a bowl. I'm going to scoop all of it. And then you can add as much or as little mango as you want. So we have a lot of mango here. We're just going to scoop out maybe about half. And you mix it together. Whoops. That's it. You're done. At your next party, your guests will never guess that you didn't make this guacamole from scratch. It's a super simple way to elevate your dishes with minimal effort. Now that's my kind of cooking. Tell us in the comments below your favorite dishes to add mango to, and maybe we'll share them in the next video. Bye!